Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what resonates for personal reading. Being Tarot Reader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. And, para doon sa mga gustong pa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Let's start your reading. This is for the sign of fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. For fire sign, please. For fire sign. Love reading to, guys, ha. So, anyway, let's start your reading. Pa-comment na lang sa baba kung ano yung mako-comment ninyo. Basta positive, guys, kasi nag-spread ako ng positivity. Kung negative yan, sorry, hindi ko kayo wini-welcome yung mga negative comment kasi, you know, positive vibes lang ang ating wini-welcome dito po sa ating channel. Ten of Cups, the Fool, and the Empress is here. Yan. Dalawang major arcana, ha. Two of Swords. Daming humahanga sa'yo. Even though some of you, medyo may pagkakulokoy ka, no? Babae man or lalaki. Medyo komedyante, maloko. Anyway, but I'm seeing that a lot of people around you na iinggit sila for what you have right now because you have a family that supports you. Yung iba, you look pretty, babae man or lalaki, or medyo bata yung itsura mo compared sa age mo. Or yeah, especially mga kaidaran mo, they see you as someone na parang wala ka pa rin pinagbago. Ganun pa rin itsura mo, babae man or lalaki, gwapo, maganda ka pa rin para sa kanila, and bata ang itsura mo para sa kanila. Anyway, you do have a decision to make right now. The Six of Swords is here. Nakikita natin yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo with regard sa family mo or maybe your friends. You are a great supporter para sa kanila. Magaling kang sumuport sa kanila. And yeah, because of this, there's a lot of love around you. Kaibigan, katrabaho, empleyado, pamilya mo, dahil sa support na binibigay mo sa kanila. I can even see marriage here. So, might be you are already married, or yung karelasyon mo ngayon, if you're in a relationship, I can see the possibility of you being together or being married in the future. No, nakakita tayo ng possibility ng marriage for you. For your person, sino itong person na kakonect mo? Person na kakonect mo. For the sign of fire sign. This would like to come out. Ten of Swords is here. Nine of Swords. Ace of Cups and the Three of Cups. Five of Pentacles. Okay. I feel like this is a person. Dalawa yung story na nakikita ko dito. Some of you pwedeng this is an ex, this is a past person. Nasasaktan siya, nalulungkot siya, and sobrang masasaktan siya kasi feeling niya hindi na siya welcome sa'yo. And I feel like this person still loves you. Okay, nakikita ka nito as a friend, and this person sees you as a friend na parang, or maybe still friends pa rin kayo sa social media, but this person still loves you. This past person, kahit feeling niya ay hindi na siya welcome sa'yo. For some of you, if you are in a relationship with this person, nasasaktan siya at nalulungkot siya kasi this person is still in love with his or her friend. Or merong may third party or third person na iniisip itong person na ito na parang gusto niya yun, mahal niya yun. So, take only what resonates, guys. So, yung iba sa inyo, this could be an arranged marriage. Yan, nakakarinig kasi ako ng arranged marriage. Or yung marriage ninyo is iba yung nagdesisyon. Okay, if you're already married with this person, iba yung nagdesisyon ng marriage na yon. Take only what resonates. Hindi ko talaga alam kung makaka-relate ka or makaka-resonate ka, but anyway. Emotion mo para sa taong to. Pwedeng hindi mo kasi alam yung nangyayari sa kanya eh. Kasi ito, this is more like sa isip ng taong ito. And pwedeng ito yung nararamdaman niya ngayon, yung emotion niya ngayon. Pero pwedeng wala kang idea regarding dito because I can see a beautiful connection or maybe relationship sa inyong dalawa. The High Priestess is here, so yeah. You could be dealing with like your soulmate or maybe Eight of Cups. There's a lot of love mula sa'yo. You are also a very spiritual person. You're thinking about the future. And nakikita mo yung partnership and love ninyo sa isa't isa nitong taong to. So, anyway, hindi ko to kukunin masyadong marami. Anong emotion nitong taong ito for you? Two of Wands, the King of Wands, and the Three of Swords. Ace of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Okay, nasasaktan tong taong to. Sobrang in pain siya. Kasi like what I've told you, gusto kong kunin yung energy ng person na kakonect niya. The Page of Swords. Yeah, this is a person na pwedeng malayo or may distance sa kanila, but or maybe a younger person or someone na pwedeng medyo may memories sila, teenage memories, parang ganun yung naririnig ko, no? Queen of Wands is here. Yeah, this person feels like ito yung kanyang Queen of Wands, and I told you, kung ikaw yung third person, kung ikaw yung, if this is an ex, this is you. Ikaw to. Itong Queen of Wands. Pero yung iba sa inyo kasi, mas nakukuha ko sa'yo is ikaw to. And maybe you don't have any idea regarding dito sa Queen of Wands niya. Wala kang idea regarding doon. Na nasasaktan siya whatsoever. Magaling siya magtago. And maaaring itong person na to, ang mga binabanggit niya na lang sa'yo is yung mga plano niya, etc. Nasasaktan siya kasi this person still loves the past. So, ano bang emotion niya talaga para sa'yo? Kung mahal niya si past or nasasaktan siya regarding the past, ano yung pinaka-emotion niya para sa'yo? King of Pentacles. Tell me about the King of Pentacles. Eight of Wands. This person is mas focus siya sa family, sa stability, sa career. So, maybe sa inyo, regarding material things na meron sa inyo, mas focus siya doon. And sa family, whatever. What will happen in the future for the both of you? The Emperor is here. Eight of Wands. Queen of Swords. Knight of Swords. Seven of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. Kunin ko na yung mga ano ha. Ten of Pentacles. Three of Wands. By the way, ito pa pala. Six of Swords. Page of Pentacles. More on money, growth. Ang nakikita natin. I can see you na pwedeng may mga bagay na hindi nag-grow sa'yo in the past. Medyo nagiging stagnant. But I can see movement regarding dito sa bagay na ito. The Emperor, you will soon be building something. Meron kang mga bubuin. You will be building an empire, maybe another business, maybe another career, wherein involve yung family dito with the Eight of Wands. With the Queen of Swords, I feel like you will be focusing sa goals mo and mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay. With the Seven of Pentacles, yeah, I can see you working out sa kung ano yung mga meron ka. More on money More on money. Yeah, pwedeng i-work out mo itong mga to. Kung ano yung, some of you, kung may negosyo ka, kung ano yung meron, pinupush na mag-grow ito. Tell me about the future ng person mo dun sa person na kakonect niya. Let's just get the future here. Yeah, this person is not letting go, or your person is not letting go, or hindi niya kayang i-let go yung past na yun. I can still see the love here with the Hierophant. Pero nakikita natin na parang itinatago na lang din kasi the Sun is here. Nakikita naman natin na masaya yung person mo kung ano meron siya, pero of course, kasi pwede ka naman maging masaya kahit wala yung past. But, you know, deep in his or her heart, alam niya na naghihintay siya. Okay? So, like what I've told you, pwedeng ikaw si past person, pwedeng ikaw yung present person, but anyway, kung saan ka man doon, take only what resonates. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Madam PTV Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.